You have been eating less and exercising more for weeks, but the scale hasn't moved an inch. It feels like your body is actively fighting your fat loss progress. Is your metabolism broken? Is your body sabotaging you? The answer is actually a biological survival mechanism called metabolic adaptation. And today, we will learn how to beat it. Metabolic adaptation is your body becoming more efficient at using energy. As you eat fewer calories, your body tries to conserve them to ensure your survival in lean times. From an evolutionary standpoint, losing weight was dangerous. Our ancestors survived by being incredibly efficient with the food they found. Your body still thinks it is in a famine. When you cut calories too low for too long, your body learns to perform the same tasks while burning significantly less fuel. It is becoming an expert at saving energy. Imagine your metabolism is like a smart thermostat in your house. When you drop the temperature, the heater works hard. But if energy is low, it turns down. Just like a thermostat, your body lowers its metabolic rate to keep you alive. It is not a flaw in your diet. It is a feature of your biology. The problem is that this efficiency makes fat loss much harder over time. You might find you have to eat even less just to maintain the same weight loss. One of the first things your body does to save energy is reduce your NEAT. NEAT stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It is a huge factor in weight loss. NEAT includes all the movement you do that isn't intentional exercise: fidgeting, standing, walking to the car, or even just adjusting your posture while sitting. When your body enters survival mode, it subconsciously stops these tiny movements. You might find yourself sitting still more often or feeling unusually lethargic throughout the day. You might spend 1 hour at the gym, but your NEAT accounts for the other 23 hours of your day. If NEAT drops, your total calorie burn drops too. This is why people often stall even when they are working out hard. They are burning more in the gym, but they are compensating by moving less overall. So what is actually driving these changes? It isn't just willpower. It is a complex dance of hormones that send signals to your brain and body. First, let's talk about leptin. Leptin is the hormone produced by your fat cells. It tells your brain how much energy you have stored. When you lose body fat, your leptin levels drop. Your brain interprets this low leptin as a signal that you are starving, triggering your survival instincts. Once leptin is low, your brain initiates a response. It increases your hunger and tries to slow down your metabolism to prevent further energy loss. Then there is ghrelin. Known as the hunger hormone, ghrelin rises when your stomach is empty, signaling your brain that it is time to eat immediately. As you diet, ghrelin levels go up and leptin levels go down. This creates a biological storm that makes staying in a calorie deficit extremely difficult. We also cannot ignore cortisol. This is your primary stress hormone. Long-term calorie restriction is a physiological stressor that can raise your cortisol levels significantly. High cortisol levels can lead to water retention and even encourage your body to store fat, especially around the midsection, making progress even harder to see. When these hormones combine, you hit what many call a metabolic wall. You are doing everything right, yet your body refuses to let go of fat. If this sounds like you, don't panic. You haven't failed. Your body is actually doing its job perfectly. It is trying to keep you alive. To fix this, we don't need more restriction. We need strategy. We need to signal to your body that it is safe to burn energy again. One of the most effective tools is the diet break. This is a planned period where you increase your calories back to maintenance levels. By eating at maintenance, you allow leptin levels to rise and ghrelin levels to fall. This tells your brain that the famine is officially over. Beyond the biology, diet breaks provide massive psychological relief. They prevent burnout and make the long-term journey much more sustainable and enjoyable. Another method is reverse dieting. This involves slowly, incrementally increasing your calories over several weeks to prime your metabolism for higher intake. This approach is much less overwhelming. It allows your metabolism to adapt to the extra energy without causing rapid fat gain. Don't forget to focus on your NEAT. Since your body is trying to slow down, you must consciously choose to keep moving more. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk while you are on a phone call. These small, consistent choices add up to huge calorie burns. The goal is to prevent your body from falling into that deep sedentary state. Keep the engine idling high through constant, light activity. Managing your cortisol is just as important as managing your calories. High stress can undo even the best dieting efforts. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is one of the most powerful ways to regulate your hunger hormones and keep your cortisol levels in check. Fat loss is not a straight line. It is a series of waves. Understanding these biological waves is the key to long-term success. First, recognize the plateau. Second, understand its metabolic adaptation. Third, don't just cut more calories. Instead, work with your biology. Stop fighting your body and start listening to it. When you respect your biological needs, your body will eventually cooperate with your goals. Success comes to those who are patient. A plateau is not a sign to quit, it is a sign to pivot your strategy. Think about where you want to be in 1 year, not 1 week. The metabolic adaptation is a temporary hurdle on a long journey. Consistency in your movements, your nutrition, and your recovery will eventually break through any plateau. Trust the science and trust the process. To recap, your metabolism is a dynamic system. It responds to the energy you provide. When you provide very little, it responds by saving more. Remember, leptin, ghrelin, and cortisol are the messengers. They are the ones actually pulling the levers of your hunger and your energy usage. And never underestimate NEAT. The small things you do every day might actually be more important than your intense workout sessions at the gym. Use diet breaks, embrace reverse dieting, and keep your non-exercise movement high. This is how you navigate around metabolic adaptation effectively. When you implement these strategies, you will find that fat loss becomes more predictable. Your body stops fighting you and starts working with you. You have the knowledge now. You know that a plateau is not a failure. It is just a signal to adjust your approach. Keep learning about how your body works. The more you understand the science, the easier it becomes to manage your health journey. Don't aim for perfection every single day. Aim for consistency. Small, sustainable changes are much more powerful than radical, short-term diets. Always remember that your biology is powerful. It is designed to protect you, even when you are trying to change your body composition. As your body changes, your plan must change too. Be flexible. Be willing to adjust your calories and your activity levels. Soon, that frustrating plateau will be a thing of the past. You will find your rhythm and continue to see the progress you desire. Focus on building strength and muscle. A higher muscle mass can actually help increase your resting metabolic rate over time. Fuel your body with the right nutrients. Don't just look at calories. Look at the quality of the food you are consuming. Be mindful of your movement throughout the entire day. Every step counts toward keeping your metabolism active and engaged. By combining these tools, you take the control back from your survival instincts and put it into your own hands. Weight loss is a biological process, not a battle of willpower. Respect your body, and it will respect your goals. The journey might be hard, but it is absolutely worth it. You are capable of much more than you think. Every day you show up, you are one step closer to the version of yourself that you want to become. Eat smart, move often, sleep well, and manage your stress. This is the ultimate blueprint for breaking any fat loss plateau. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more science-based fitness tips. Let's win this together. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever hit a plateau? Tell me your story in the comments below.